dyr hernede.
Der er en rebel her også. Jeg tager rebel.
Jeg scouter. Okay. Jeg nakker også lige den her. Der er også en lige her.
Masser af bullets til sniper.
Vil I godt nok hoppe ud af de her 3 biler i Pleasant Valley?
Ej, det var sjovt lidt dumt.
Oh fuck yeah.
Yo,
Go!
dude.
Oh yeah!
Oh,
awesome.
hey guys! Let's get the
Hello,
fuck
people.
up to...
We should have made some fuel. We should have made some fuel. Fuck.
They don't have fuel, guys. Jeg har sgu ingen benzin.
Well, when you have 0%, it's
I told you the city was a bad idea.
Oh, shit.
Oh, nice, motherfucker! Pop.
Fuck! Nej!
Okay, det var heldigt det der. Det kunne godt være, at vi ikke skulle chase måske.
Hvem looter den der bag der?
Ja, vi skal ud af byen, ja.
De er bagved os, de er bagved os. Var der noget?
Nej, ikke noget spændende.
Ja, der er sgu en politibil, den tager jeg. Så har vi sgu 3, mand.
Der er mere. Der er mere. Hvor er det der?
Get out of the police station. Your hands up.
Police station. It's surrounded, man. It's surrounded by three cops, man. Get out.
Jeg er helt forstået.
Skynd dig. Skynd dig.
Guys, go at the police station. Go at the police station. I dropped my car at the police station. It has lots of fuel. I dropped my pickup at the police station. Go get it, guys.
I don't know why I don't trust you.
No, it's a fucking trap.
It's not a fucking trap. I just lost my friends. I have no idea where they are. Oh, there they're coming. Nå for helvede.
Den der, det er en anden politibil, den er på topstop.
Lad os snakke med ham.
Okay.
Yo, dudes. We're friendly, man. have 4 cars.
Please don't arrest me. I am peaceful. I will not shoot anyone. Well,
He's got a gun.
I don't know. Yeah, I got a gun. But it's the ammo.
Get a gun?
Yep, I do got a gun.
I have 2 guns,
We're all
man.
guns.
So see, I'm Lara Croft, man.
Yeah, 2 guns, so it's better. But you
Yeah,
see,
exactly.
I'm not sure about it. So, yeah.
Hey, fight me, bitch. Come on.
Kill Oswald, then you can join our team, man. He's on the base. He's a
Hey,
base.
Michael.
No,
Where are you, Michael?
No, don't kill him. He's a friend. I will not allow Oswald to die.
He deserves to die, man.
Oswald, run away.
Jeg har ikke mere benzin.
Okay. Jamen, vi har fandme brug for benzin.
Ja,
By the way, so you guys only 3 or what?
det er noget lort.
Kan du tage tingene
Got
ud?
some fuel, boys. Nej.
Shit, they have a guy out.
Michael, please take
Holy
Michael.
shit!
He got back in.
You have
Michael.
fucking bullets, you bitches.
Yes.
Fuck you, Ross.
No, rest in pieces, just in Paparino. I got no ammo, I got no ammo, what the
Fuck you, dude.
I had an ammo. Totally random.
This motherfuckers kill me. Die.
Run away, Oswald, don't die.
He had 9
run
pistol
away.
rounds. I got the
Run
pistol rounds,
away.
man.
Totally
Anyway,
random.
Survive.
run away.
Run
Don't
away.
stay, run away, people. They're gonna kill you. Clint is an asshole.
Nope.
Michael,
Don't trust
I
them.
will fight you. Don't worry, I'm an queen.
Fuck you, French
No. We were friends
know you
for
like to suck
just a
dick.
short time, but
Shut
you
the
treat me
fuck
like a
up,
brother.
fucking
You are a
guy.
brother of mine.
dudes. Fuck you, dude.
Goodbye, my nigga.
Bye, my nigga.
So, yeah.
Random pepperonis.
And you guys over there, the free fucking assholes.
I have
love
19
you
shots
people
from
of
my
shit.
pistol now. Look, dude. Look, dude.
Did you?
Michael,
Yeah.
I'll show you something.
Yeah.
I shot you in the head, man.
No,
Der kommer 2 personer bagfra. Der er en inde på
no,
tanken.
she aim, la 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 la. No, like
Yes,
Fucking Danish people.
Fuck you, noobs.
No.
Fucking friends.
We will be back, and we will murder every single one of
Yo,
you.
dude. Yo, dude. He's shooting.
Han har shotgun.
Yeah.
One in.
I'm an angel with a shotgun. Yeah. Anyway, have a good time. Bye-bye.
Come on, huh?
Bye.
I'm down, I'm down. I'm down, man. He's behind the gas station. There's no... Oh. J-Rock.
Ja.
Hvad hedder det på Steam?
J-Rock.
Nice. Loot him.
Han døde sgu, han havde 7 ribbelskud. Og 2 særkonskud.
Loot mig. Jeg ligger lige bag byggen.
Har du ikke mange pistolskud?
Nej, jeg har næsten ingen.
Jeg har masser. Jeg har... Det er J-Rock, ikke? Fra
Ja,
Nordjylland.
ja,
Thomas.
Nordjylland, ja. Thomas, ja.
Super, man.
Altså, der er flere mennesker, der holder øje
Thomas,
med os. Der er flere, der holder øje med os lige nu, bare du ved det.
Jeg kan ikke se noget. Thomas?
Ja.
Tag alle vores ting. Tag tingene, man, på din base.
Lige bag ved dig, pas på for fanden. Han kom med pistol, Klit.
Og har godt sagt det. Jeg fik de vigtigste ting nu.
Okay.
Bare loot mig.
Jamen, han har vist de vigtigste ting.
Jeg fik de hurtigt.
Hold øje med ham. Hold øje med ham.
Han stak af.
Nej, vi har det hele. Næsten hele. Nej, det er godt. Har du sparket? Ja, det har jeg så. Ja, han døde sgu.
Jeg hader virkelig at være herinde i byen.
Vi snakkes den anden dag. Må der ikke helt dræbe nogen?
Ja, det er et lortested, det her.
Din kammerat, han gik ud, eller hvad?